Hi, I'm Eric Meehan, VP of Operations with Automobile Technologies. So I've been with Automobile Technologies now for about 6 years. Before I was with them, I worked for a large automotive reconditioning company for another 5 years and then transitioned from that company over to AMT. AMT was founded in 2006 by Paul Maximoff. We came in to help the automotive reconditioning space create inspections and invoices. They were pretty much all on paper at that point. And then from there, we've transitioned into creating automotive workflow software for dealerships and auto auctions and rental car facilities, which has kind of given us exposure into the DMS tools like CDK and now Fortellis to help kind of facilitate the need of our clients. Repair 360 is an automotive reconditioning tool to allow dealerships to streamline their reconditioning process. As a used car manager, it's going to help get cars to the front line a lot faster than what they are today. This tool is going to allow you to have visibility in your reconditioning process. It's going to allow you to make changes in your workflow to become more efficient. So one of the things the tool definitely allows them to do is shave time off of the cycle time of their vehicles. So the time that they get the car at the lot to the time it's ready to be sold, they can increase that and allow them to actually sell cars faster and increase the volume of cars that they can sell. And then, of course, reduce the cost of reconditioning allows them to make more money per car. We've been doing business now with CDK, I think for about 4 or 5 years. We have one of the older PIP programs where we can pull used car vehicles into our application, which is an important step for most of our dealership clients. We have access to our own internal repair orders that has all the cost and vendors and all the information that somebody would then have to rekey into CDK. So we had obviously been asking CDK for quite a few years for the ability to actually open and write repair orders back to CDK. Wasn't an option until Fortellis, our CDK account manager, actually introduced us to that program. I remember when we first did the CDK PIP program, it took, I think it took us about 12 months to actually get that PIP live between working with CDK on their end and actually developing it on our end and it going to production. Whereas Fortellis has a pretty much out of the box integration that we were able to work with Fortellis and go live. And I think it took us about maybe 2.5, 3 months. So we went through that entire life cycle pretty quick. The used car industry right now is really taking off in light of COVID. So a lot of our clients are actually doing really well right now. We plan on continuing to improve our product to offer more feature and functionality in the used car space. And then continue to also build software into other ancillary markets like auto auctions and rental car facilities, because in the end, they all have kind of the same needs. They have vehicles, the vehicles need to get repaired, and then they need to do something with those vehicles. I think Fortellis was a good move on the CDK part. And having this open program where other companies can interact with each other on top of Fortellis platform has a lot of extensibility that we're looking forward to taking advantage of.